Greetings, students. Okay, so now we're going to talk about En Passant. First time this occurred in a tournament for me, I thought the opponent cheated because I didn't understand how he was able to take my piece. I'd never seen it happen before. So let's see how En Passant works, and then let's see what's not En Passant. So on the left-hand side, we have the pawn, the black pawn on the 7th rank. And so it is black's turn to move, let's just say. And so on the first move, let's say that black moves up 2 squares on its first move. Now white can cross behind it and claim En Passant. And so white has just captured, even though it didn't capture in the natural diagonal fashion. This is an exception to the rule. Now let's try and see what's not En Passant. So let's say that it's black to move on this side, and black moves up here for whatever reason, and then say white moves here, and then black moves here. This is no longer an instance where En Passant can be claimed. I can't cross behind and claim the black pawn because it didn't happen on the first move, where black would go from the 7th rank to the 5th rank, and then the white would cross behind. There was some staging to this. So over here was an example of, again, where this would be called En Passant. If black moves on its first turn 2 squares up, and you have a pawn on either side here, either one could cross behind on that move and capture the piece. And you see the illustration here. It didn't move to 2 positions, 2 squares up on that move. Rather, it took one, and then there was another move, and then it moved to second. So an example of what En Passant is not, and then on this side an example of what En Passant is. Just another way of capturing a pawn with the pawn.